In this video, I'm going to show you how to change colors of blocks in Block Blast. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up Block Blast as we normally do, and we can choose Adventure, Classic. I'm just going to do Classic for this demonstration. And as you can see, these are my current colors inside Block Blast. So in order to change these, we need to go on the top right hand corner where there's a gear icon. And if I go into more settings, there's no such option to change colors, but there's a workaround. So you head back into settings. Now, if we go ahead and click on replay, take note of the colors. So they change to that color. Now, if I click on settings again, go replay, you're going to get different colors again. Click on the gear icon and just keep repeating it till you find the colors that you'd like to play with inside Block Blast. Block Blast in the future might change their app so you can manually change your colors, but at the moment this is the best workaround.